Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we're excited to be introducing you to a new product that you guys have been asking us for, and that is our easy connectors for direct accessory to headlight connection. Our custom accessory to headlight connectors are going to allow you to easily connect any of your exterior LED accent lighting upgrades, whether it be your front end Raptor Grill lights, or your LED side vent lighting, or even the backlighting for your Spartan II series. These connectors are going to make the installation of those lights extremely easy and require no splicing into your factory harness or the utilization of a factory auxiliary switch. Now, each connector is going to be custom built specifically for your Ford truck, whether it's an F150 or a Bronco or Super Duty, etc. And they also work across headlights, whether they come factory with LED or factory with halogen. And these connectors are going to give your lighting that DRL or that running light power without having to tap into your truck's harness. So how these connectors work is simply you're going to have your customized plug that comes specifically based on your model. So you'll be able to disconnect the plug at your headlight assembly for whether it's the entire unit or your side marker light. You'll be able to reconnect one side of our easy connector, and then you'll simply reattach the truck's harness to the other side. Your custom accessory to headlight connector is going to come equipped with heavy duty gauge wiring, full protection with our thermal braided sheathing throughout the entire assembly. We're just going to have extra long leads here for your power and ground connections, and that's going to make your installation that much easier. Plus, on the end of each of our leads, we have our Toolless connectors. So no splicing required, no tools required. You'll just be able to unlock these channels, slide your accessory power or ground wire into place, and lock it back into place. So it could not be any easier. Plus, what this harness does, it allows for the connection of multiple inputs. So if you're running an accessory that is on your driver and passenger side, you'll be able to utilize just one harness here, slide both into your power sides, lock them into place. So that eliminates the need for multiple easy connectors per accessory. These custom connectors are available for all Ford models at F150LEDs.com. You can go check them out today and order yours. Plus, you'll find all of our custom built LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford truck. We truly appreciate your support. We can't wait to serve you soon and see you at F150LEDs.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube below and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at F150LEDs. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to serving you soon. Thanks, guys.